Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Here's how you can fix the sound on your iPad if it's not working. This issue can be frustrating because you can't hear anything. So first, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen, which is near the battery icon. This will open your control panel or the control center. Make sure that the volume is turned up and the silent mode is turned off. Some apps might not play sound. Put the ringer on, check if the sound is working, and next go to your iPad settings. Now go to the Bluetooth option and make sure that it's turned off, that the iPad isn't trying to send sound to another device. If the sound problem only happens in one app, close the app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and then swiping the app away. Reopen the app to see if that finally fixes it. Now try restarting your iPad. Quickly press the volume up button and then quickly press the volume down button and then press and hold the side power button. Keep holding the power button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Then release the power button and hopefully this has solved the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.